For every major assessment in world history, you will be asked an extended response question that will need to be written in a specific format, a T paragraph. The format of this paragraph is also very effective when writing body paragraphs for essays. In a T paragraph, every letter of T refers to a specific element of the paragraph. The T is the topic sentence, the E is the evidence in the paragraph, and the A is the analysis needed in the paragraph. For this example, we will be working with an example essay question. The printing press was a very important invention in the Western world. Explain how it impacted learning in Europe. Be sure to give specific examples. A topic sentence is simply a sentence that covers the main idea of a paragraph. I know you have written these before. Remember, the rules you learned about writing in English class apply to writing in other classes. Paragraphs need the topic sentence as a signal to the reader, telling what your paragraph is about. Don't forget the topic sentence should be written in third person. Also, be as specific as you can in the topic sentence about what evidence you are going to present. Notice the topic sentence, highlighted in green, shows you the paragraph is about the printing press and also includes evidence I will include in my answer. Encourage scholarly research, spread of religious ideas, and increase the public's knowledge. Evidence is the information you will include to explain the topic. In an English essay, your evidence is often a quote from the novel you're reading. In a social studies class, the evidence might be a quote, but it also might be a fact or statistic. A good rule of thumb about how much evidence for you to use is 3 pieces of evidence per paragraph. In most situations, that's an appropriate amount of support to inform the reader. If you're ever uncertain, ask your teacher. In this paragraph, the evidence is highlighted in blue. Sometimes my evidence was a couple of sentences long, and sometimes it was only part of a sentence. It is okay for you to have that kind of variety in the evidence you use. Analysis is sometimes a difficult topic to grasp. For a social studies response, analysis is often a description of the meaning or the impact of your evidence. Looking at our paragraph response, the analysis is highlighted in purple. The analysis sentences and phrases explain how the facts about the printing press, like how many books were published, or what type of texts were published, impacted the people of Europe. One last element to add to your T paragraph, if you have the time, is a concluding sentence which wraps up the paragraph. In our example paragraph, the last sentence in pink draws a final conclusion about how all the evidence and analysis about the printing press impacted Europe.